Adding your logo is easy. Just go to Settings, then under Logos and Site Titles, click on Define Logo and import it. This is where you can set the name of your site. Choose if you want it with your logo at the top. It's very important to have and display your logo on your website. The logo is the face of your company. It's often the first thing people notice on a site. It needs to be unique and memorable, so that your users easily remember your brand. There are programs like Canva that make it easy to create a logo. If you want to do it yourself, make sure your layout is clear and intuitive. Use colors, different font sizes and contrasts to make your site lively and attractive. Under Files at bottom left, you can import your files and create folders, so you'll have all the resources you need to build your site in one place. You also have access to a bank of free images if you need them. Don't forget to use high-quality images, avoid blurred or pixelated images. And don't hesitate to test your site on different screen sizes to ensure a good user experience. What's more, you can always consult our detailed FAQ on Site Creator on infomaniac.com.